In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different high-ticket affiliate programs on ClickBank. And I'm going to show you how much you can make, and I'll show you the ins and outs, and I'm also going to show you the pitfalls, because there's pros and cons to promoting a high-ticket affiliate program. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to avoid some of these pitfalls and how you can save a lot of time. And I'm going to show you what to look for and what to avoid with a high-ticket affiliate program, because just promoting a high-ticket affiliate program is not the end-all be-all. It's got to be the right high-ticket affiliate program. So before I go on, just like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get into it. Okay, the first one is the crypto code. This pays out a lot of money. It's going to pay out $656 on the initial sale, and then $39 recurring. Now, that sounds great, and it is great. But what you have to think is, what are they charging to pay you this much money? They're charging approximately double. So if you come here and you order, they're charging $1,997 and then $97 a month. They're going for it. They're going for the big bucks. So they're basically paying you, it's like 45% on this, which is very generous, which is awesome. Okay, but what are they offering? Now, it's important to look at the offer. Is the offer worth it? Because someone who comes here and they see it and it's not worth it, they're never going to buy it, right? So what they're offering is a whole webinar on crypto to teach people how to make money with crypto. Now, they're not only just giving a whole webinar. What they do is they have full access to WaveBot, which is their revolutionary technology for generating daily profits on crypto on autopilot. So you're getting access to their software, which can tell you when to buy low and sell high, which is how you make money with stocks or with crypto. So they're going to give you what they call premium trade alerts. Every week you're going to get ready-made trade setups delivered straight to your account, backed by years of profitable experience and incredible winning track record. So you can buy low and sell high over and over and over again. So you get this whole webinar, you get this whole course, which includes 92 in-depth video lessons spread across 3 groundbreaking courses, according to them. And so you get this whole course. That's a lot of information, but you get ongoing help and trade alerts. They lead you by the hand, and that's how they can charge a monthly fee. And if they're good and you're making money, then you keep paying it, and it's worth it. So this sounds pretty strong. If you're really into crypto and you really want to learn and you're convinced that these guys can help you out, that might not be a bad thing for someone. It is a reasonable proposition, because you have potential to make a lot of money with crypto. With this, you're looking to make big money, and it may very well justify the $2,000 fee to join us. So you have to look at it from the perspective of a buyer. And you've got to look and say, hey, how is their sales page? I think their sales page is pretty darn good. It's easy to understand. They're giving you bullet points. They're offering value. It sounds like a decent offer here, and it's well done. So this is the crypto code. $656 payments. Go for it. Now, they have a whole affiliate page here where they come and they explain what you have to do as an affiliate. There are bonuses and so forth. They've got affiliate links, swipes and promos, payout details. This is with ClickBank. They pay out twice a month, and you have to qualify here for this. So you come down here and you fill out a form telling them what your websites are, your email list size, and how you plan on promoting them, and then they approve you. So that's how this works. So if you want to check out the crypto code, I'll put the link below so you can check it out. Here's the next ClickBank affiliate program called the Native Ads Masterclass. This program teaches you how to build a affiliate marketing business through native ads, through paid advertising, which is very tricky. And it pays $298 per sale, right? They have a nice sales page here. And what I like about it, it is very specific. They're teaching you how to do it through paid advertising. And that is very tricky. And that's something you might want to invest in education on if you've got a real expert here. Now, Let's see, go down here and see how much they're charging for this course. We know they pay $298. Come down here, $997. All right. So basically you're getting about a little like 45% or so, approximately. See, so, and it's a one-time payment. Now there's pros and cons to one-time payment. One-time payment, you can get more sales. You can get more sales because people like the idea of one-time payment. They're hip to what subscriptions are. So there's no recurring billing on this, but hey, just, you know, making $300 commissions over and over and over again, you do that a few times a day, that's really nice. And again, you have to look at the sales page. I think the sales page is good. And they're offering a very specific niche. They got a video where they explain it to you. It's clean, it's easy to understand. You know, I'm giving the thumbs up on this one. Let's take a look at their affiliate page here, right? It's pretty basic. You get your affiliate link. They're giving you recommended traffic sources, right? And they have a few recommended tools that you can use and go forth. Some of the rules, basically the same rules as everyone else, and you're good to go. Much less as far as help than on the other $2,000 program. But hey, it's straight ahead. They give you your links and you go, and it's a very straight ahead deal. One-time payment. People like that. Just a one-time payment. So that will sell easier than the crypto course in general, because the crypto course is twice as expensive. You make more money, but it's twice as expensive. So you got to think, am I going to make more selling a $997 course maybe multiple times, or getting one sale off the crypto? That's up to you to figure out. Next, we have Commission Hero, and you make $298 per sale on this. And basically, it's similar to the last one, as they're teaching you how to make affiliate commissions with ads. Now, using paid ads is really tricky because you can lose money if you don't know what you're doing. So you really have to know what you're doing to do paid ads and to make money. It's not easy. So they are going to show you here. And the good thing about this, they've got a lot of testimonials on here. I like this. And another thing I like about it is that they offer personal coaching here. So you've got complete access to the Commission Hero private coaching group where you can get help and ask questions. So they've got a whole system there where you can ask questions and get help. So if you're going to pay this much for a course, you just don't want to get the course and not have any help and support afterwards. You want someone to hold your hand. That's why you're paying. Okay. And they offer things like done for you landing pages. Okay. But I think that's the most important thing, the coaching. It's a little hypey, the thing, but people like that, I guess. Live weekly Q&As on coaching. This is really good. I like that. People can come and ask questions. Not everyone's a do-it-yourselfer. They need help. So you come here, one-time payment, $997, very similar to the last one. 2 payments of $597. That's pretty good. That's a way to make it a little easier for people to pay. That's very strong. Break it up a little bit. It's still really expensive, but you're going to get that extra help with the coaching. And you know, people need to know what's going on. This is a good sales page with a lot of testimonials on it. It's worth a shot. You know, you can always get your money back too with ClickBank if they don't live up to it. So they have an interest to make sure it's good. Now here's something interesting to look at with ClickBank. It's the gravity score. The higher the gravity score, the more popular it is. Now on the first one I showed you, crypto swap profits, which is $2,000, you got a 9.6 gravity score. All right. Now that's not very high. You know, you can have gravity scores over 100, which means it's super popular. But that makes sense because it's so expensive. You're not going to have as many people, ordering it. Now, when you come down here and you look at the one we just looked at, down here, this is half the price, but it only has a 2.9 gravity score. So that's something to consider. It's not as popular as the one that is twice as expensive. Let's see what their affiliate tools page is like here. All right, it's a basic affiliate tools page, right? And you have to request to be a part of the affiliate program. Okay? You don't just sign up and start doing it. So it's still pretty basic, but that is what the process is. Now, here's another one, and that is a Conversio bot. And you can make up to $208, and it's an evergreen program that just pays recurring commissions. But you can make an average of $208 commissions on this. Now, I actually use this service. Here's my website, and here's my Conversio bot. And basically, it's a little chat bot. You come here, which is set up to get leads. And basically, it gets people to subscribe to your newsletter. And it's kind of a little interaction, AI interactive bot, which works extremely well. I've definitely gotten more subscribers using this. It works. I put it on a lot of sites. So I know this is a quality product. Here is their ClickBank affiliate tools page, and it is fantastic. They're by far the best one. So they explain exactly how it works. So you recommend the initial offer, which I just showed you, which is this bot that you put on your website to collect email addresses, and it does work. 47 to 37, right? Then they have a Done For You Pro, a service they offer for $497, and then an Autobot chatbot builder, another one-time offer, and another one-time offer. They have a whole series of one-time offers that they have a whole funnel of one-time offers. So this is really a slick offer, and I know it's a quality product. And between all the one-time offers, people are averaging $248 per sale, which is really good. And so if you have people who have websites and want to get more opt-in subscribers and leads from the traffic they already have, I can definitely say this is a great tool. So this is another high-ticket affiliate program. Now I want to show you one more here. Now this is John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. Now this is actually a really good program, and he's an excellent marketer, and he's got an excellent course. Everything's good about it. You can make on the initial conversion $206, then a recurring $114. It's fantastic. The problem is he's done too good of a job in that I see this thing everywhere. I see the same ad copy everywhere. All right, so everyone's promoting this because it is good. All right, but sometimes things are just so beat in the world that it's already been out there. You got too much competition. So I think if you got in the beginning of this, it would have been great because he's got great copy, he's got great support, he's got great everything. So if you wanted to promote this now, you'd have to come up with something completely different than everyone else is using. Just using the stuff that he has here is not good enough because everyone's using the same swipes. Everyone's using the same images. He's almost a victim of his own popularity. So that's something to watch out for. If the program is reached saturation, you might be wasting your time promoting it, at least in the way that they are telling you to. You're going to have to maybe come up with your own creative ways to promote this, not just using, it's not going to be a copy and paste deal. You just copy and paste and sell it just like everyone else is. There's too many people who have seen the same ads, and it's no disrespect to John Crestani, who's an awesome marketer and put together an awesome program. It's just like it's almost too good because everyone jumped on it. So it's something for you to consider when joining a program. Has it been beat? Has everyone promoted this to death already in your circle? So think about that as well. It's another factor to consider. And I'm going to put in a plug for my affiliate program as well. It's not a ClickBank affiliate program, but you can get some pretty high commissions with this. And we pay 50% recurring commissions every month. And we've been doing this since 2012. We pay out every month. And it's free to join. It's very easy. We got plenty of affiliate tools and promo. And we do have some high ticket offers. We've got our multiple campaign offers for the yearly. Now, if people order two yearly campaigns at once, we give them a discount, and a big discount. Normally it's $197 each, so it'd be $394 to do two campaigns for a year. And we give them, a whop discount for make it at only $297. And so if they order this, you get half of this. So you get $148 commissions, right? And it's one time, it's no recurring, but that makes it easier to sell. So if they come here and order this, right? For $297, you get half, which is $148. So there's another affiliate program you can join. It's not ClickBank. I know we were talking about ClickBank, but it's actually easier. You don't have to have an account with ClickBank. You can just sign up for free and go ahead and start promoting it right now. So these are some great ideas for high ticket affiliate programs that you can promote. If you have other high ticket affiliate programs that you're promoting and being successful with, please let us know in the comments area.